Vidya, and no, we are not here to bore you with another lecture.
Absolutely not, because today's seminar is about something that actually affects us, our future.
So, welcome our seminar, Safe Future.
Perfect energy. But before we begin, a quick sort out to our lovely participants.
So, give a big clap for our participants.
Now it's time to call our first participant. So we have Afsa from Science Department.
So, please welcome Apsa on the stage. Apsa, please come on the stage.
Afsa, the stage is yours and no pressure, but the planet is counting on you. So, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. My name is Akshanaz, and I am truly honored to stand before you today. I am going to talk about one of the most critical challenges in our time, pollution. It is an issue that threatens not just our environment but our existence in this planet. When we look around today, we see a world that has advanced rapidly in technology and industry. But this progress comes with a massive cost to our mother nature. The pollution is the presence of harmful contaminants in our natural environment, which leads to adverse and sometimes irreversible changes. It mainly three forms: air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. First of all, we talk about air pollution. Air pollution is caused by harmful smokes from vehicles, factories and burning of fossil fuels, it leading to respiratory diseases. Water pollution caused by harmful chemicals dumping on the lakes, rivers and ocean, and also plastic which make it poisonous drinking water and kill marine life. Soil pollution is caused by harmful chemicals and non-biodegradable wastage shipping into our earth. It reduces the soil quality and destroys the natural habitats. We can't point fingers at government or large corporations. The change starts with us. As the citizens of this world, we must take individual responsibility and adopt sustainable habits. Small actions make a massive difference, so don't take it like a joke and always remember 3 R's: reuse, reduce and recycle. To cut down on waste generation, plant trees on our local neighborhood to purify air naturally, conserve resources and use public transport. Pollution is the global crisis that degrades our environment and threatens human health. So let us pledge today to protect our environment and conserve resources we have and make the world better. So don't be mean, keep it green. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What a wonderful performance, Afsa.
A big clap for Apsa.
Thank you very much.
Okay, it's time to call our second participants.
Up next, we have Lakshmi from Language Department. We are inviting Lakshmi on the stage. Lakshmi, please come on the stage.
Are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I'm excited.
So, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected director sir, teachers and faculty members and my dear friends. I am Lakshmi Kumari and it's a great pleasure to stand before you today. As they say, save the environment, save the future. Go green today for a better tomorrow. Today I would like to speak on an important topic, saving our environment. The environment is our home. It gives us clean air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat. Without it, life would not exist. However, due to human activities like pollution, deforestation, and excessive natural resources, our environment is in danger. If we do not take actions now, the future of planet will be at risk. We should know, saving the environment is not only the responsibility of government or organization. It is the duty of every individual. We can all contribute by taking small steps such as planting trees, reducing plastic uses, and keeping our surroundings clean. Remember, small actions can lead to big changes if each one of us take responsibility today to make the earth a better place to live. So let us take a place today to not harm environment and to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again.
Lakshmi, we are amazed by your performance.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's time to call our third participants, Muskan. So we have Muskan from History Department.
So please welcome Muskan on the stage. Muskan, please come on the stage.
How are you feeling, Muskan?
I'm feeling so excited.
So, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning to the respected teacher, honorable guest, and my dear friends. My name is Muskan Kumari, and I am truly honored to stand before you today. I am going to talk about one of the most critical challenges of our time: save trees. Under the theme of Safe Future. Trees are important for life on Earth. They provide oxygen we breathe and absorb harmful carbon dioxide. Shade and shelter for food and habitat for animals. Protecting trees is important to fight climate change, prevent soil erosion, and ensure a healthy green planet for our future generation. Trees act as the earth lungs. They provide oxygen and filtering out harmful pollution. Forests provide shelters and food for countless birds, insects, and animals. Trees keep the environment cool and reduce global warming and help regulate rainfall. We trust on trees for food, medicines, and wood. Makes them protective even more important. We can easily mix a difference in our daily life. Let's participate in community planting drives. Use both sides of blue paper and reduce daily paper waste. Pay bills online and read books too digitally to reduce paper production. Save trees means save human life. Securing the environment, nature's greatest gift. Because save tree now, they will save you in the future. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again. Muskan, what a terrific performance. A big clap for Muskan. So, it's time to call our next participant, Bharti Ranjan from Language Department.
So please welcome Bharti on the stage. Bharti, please come on the stage. So, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am very excited.
So, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected director sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Bharti Ranjan and it is a great pleasure to stand before you today and share my thoughts on important topic. Save water, save future. As they say, save water, secure tomorrow. You know, water is most costly resource on earth. We cannot imagine life without water, from drinking to farming, from cleaning to industries. Water is important everywhere, yet we often take it from granted and waste it carelessly. Did you know only a small percent of earth water is suitable for drinking? With increasing population and pollution, this limited supply is under serious threat. Many regions in the world already face water scarcity, and if we do not act now, the situation will become worse in the future. You see, saving water is not difficult. Small steps can make a big difference, like we should turn off taps when not in use, fix leaking pipe, use water wisely and avoid unnecessary wastage. We must also spread awareness among others. Remember, every drop of water we save today, we save life. If we save water, we save life. If we waste water, we risk our future. In conclusion, water is life and conserving it is our responsibility. If we act wisely, we can ensure a safe and secure future for generation to come. Because every drop counts for future. Thank you everyone for your time. Thank you once again.
Great performance, Bharti. A big clap for Bharti Ranjan.
Now the stage is over to Maushami and Atulya.
Maushami and Atulya, we welcome you on the stage.
Thank you Vidya and Ansu for inviting us. Well, I am Osmi and I am Atulya. So guys, are you enjoying our performance?
Yes.
How much?
Much.
Now it's time to call our next participant Vidya from Law Department. We are inviting Vidya on the stage. Vidya, please come on the stage. So Vidya, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am very excited.
All the best.
Thank you. Good morning, respected director, sir, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vidya, and today I am here to share my thought on the topic "Say No to Plastic" under the theme "Save Future." Go green, keep it clean. It is a matter of great concern that in today where development is peak, we are unknowledgeable, destroying our own future. Plastic, once considered as a blessing, has now become one of the biggest enemy for our environment. It does not decompose for hundreds of years, it polluting our land, choking off oceans. If we truly wish to save our future, it is time to take responsibility to choose say no to plastic, because the future we dream depend on the action we are taking today. Plastic has become a part of our daily life because it is cheap, lightweight and convenient. However, its harmful effects on environment are far greater than its benefit. Millions of marine animals, birds suffer every year because plastic pollution. Remember future generation, say no to plastic, make our future fantastic. With this message, I conclude my speech. Thank you for your kind attention.
What a great performance, Vidya. A big clap for Vidya.
Thank you once again.
Now it's time to invite our next participant. We have Ansu from Commerce Department. We are inviting Ansu on the stage. Ansu, please come on the stage. Ansu, how are you feeling?
A little bit nervous but excited too.
All the best.
Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. My name is Ansu Kumari, and today I am here to share my thoughts on the topic Save Food under the theme Save Future. We know food is very important for our life. We need food to live and stay healthy. But many people waste food every day. This is not good because many poor people, they do not have enough food to eat. We should always take only the amount of food we can eat. We should not throw food in the dustbin. Leftover food can be given to needy peoples or animals. Saving food also save money and helps farmer. Food is made with a lots of hard work. Farmer grow crops with cares and more effort. So we must respect food and not waste it. Farmer work very hard in the field. They grow crops under the hot sun, in rain and even in difficult conditions. When we waste food, all this hard work also get wasted. At the same time, there are millions of people in the world who do not get enough food to eat. Many poor people sleep hungry at night. If we save food instead of wasting it, we can help reduce hunger. Food is a gift and we must respect it. We should always remember the value of food and avoid wasting it. By saving food also save money and protect our environment. Every small effort counts, so let us to all promise to save food and use it wisely. So save food, save life, save nature. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again and have a nice day.
What a great performance, Ansu.
Thank you.
A big clap for Ansu. Hope you enjoy our anchoring. Now the stage is over to Sajia and Afsa. We inviting Afsa and Sazia on the stage. A big clap for Afsa and Sazia.
Well, thank you, Mosmi and Atulya, for inviting us. You know, guys, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. In fact, we borrow it from our children. You are right, Apsa. So, guys, do you feel that? Yes, then you are at the well. Now, let's begin the performance. I am Sazia Amin. And I am Afsha. And it's time to invite Mosmi from Computer Science Department. Mosmi, please come on the stage. Are you ready for your performance, Mosmi?
Yes, I am ready.
So, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone, respected teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Mosmi Rajvanshi. Today I am going to present a topic before you all, Safe Girl Child. This topic is very relevant in today's world because in this seminar I will explain what is, why it is, its key points and some real life example. So let's start without wasting time. Safe Girl Child. The girl child is a very variable part of our society. She play a very important role such as mother, daughter, sister and citizen. The Safe Girl Child movement promotes, protects and empowerment of girls. Girls contribute significantly to the growth and development of family and society. They have the same talent, ability and rights as the boy. Unfortunately, many girls still facing challenges such as gender discrimination, lack of education, child marriage and violence. This issue prevent them from future generation. Parents and society should prevent their pursuing dreams. Save the girl child is essential for any nation. Every girl deserves respect, love, and equal opportunity. So give girl wings to fly, not the cry and die. There is no tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again.
Mosmi, that was a powerful performance. You nailed it.
Thank you.
Now it's time to get into our next performance. So inviting Muskan from Biology Department. Muskan, please come on the stage. We are rooting for your performance, Muskan. So all the best.
Thank you. Good morning, teacher, respected director, sir. My name is Muskan Kumari Gupta and I am truly honored to stand before you. I am going to presentation a topic which cover version issue like switch off to switch on. A better future. It is called save energy. Energy is a very important in our daily life. We use it from light, fan, cooking, transport and many other things. But energy resources are limited, so we should use them wisely. We can save energy by switch off lights and fan when they are not needed. We should use LED bulb and energy efficient application. Walking, cycle or using public transport also helps save fuel. We should not waste electricity or water. Save energy, protect the environment and pollution. It also save money and help future generation. Let's save energy because save them means save ourselves. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Wow, what an impressive presentation, Muskan. A big clap for Muskan.
My pleasure.
जोश कम तो नहीं हुआ guys?
नहीं.
Are you exciting?
Yes.
Up next, we have Atulya from IT department. Inviting Atulya on the stage. Atulya, please come on the stage. Are you excited for your performance, Atulya?
Yes, I am excited.
All the best.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Atulya Munda. Today I am going to present a topic before you all. Save wildlife. This topic is very relevant in today's world because it affects our daily life in many ways. In this seminar, I will explain what is, why it is important, its key point, and some real life examples. So let's begin without wasting time. Save wildlife. Preserve earth, save animals. Wildlife means all animals, birds and plants that live in forests, oceans and mountains. They keep nature balanced by maintaining the food chain, giving us oxygen and medicines. But today, wildlife is in danger due to poaching, cutting of forest, pollutions and climate change. Many animals like tigers and elephants are becoming extinct. If we want a healthy future, we must protect wildlife now. Small steps like saving water, say no to plastic and not buying product made from animal skin can make a big difference. Let's save wildlife because saving them means saving ourselves. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again. Have a great day.
You left us speechless, Atulya. A big clap for Atulya.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed our hosting.
Yes.
Now the stage is over to Muskan. Inviting Muskan on the stage.
Thank you, Afsa and Sazia, for inviting me.
Muskan, we started with a quote. Remember, we borrow this earth from our children.
So let's return it.
Better, cleaner, and kinder.
Guys, are you ready for your next performance?
Yes.
So, guys, do you want to have a little break?
Yes.
तो क्या कहते हो जाए?
Yes.
तो अर्ज क्या है?
इशारा।
दोस्ती है नाम सुख दुख की कहानी का, दोस्ती है राज सदा मुस्कुराने का।
ये कोई पल भर की जान पहचान नहीं, दोस्ती वादा है उम्र भर साथ निभाने का।
साथ निभाने का।
It's time for our next participant to begin inviting Sazia on the stage. Sazia, please come on the stage.
All set?
Yes, I am very exciting to share my thoughts with everyone.
Go for it. All the best.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sazia. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic. Save time. Once lost, never found. Friends, have you ever thought what is the one thing that everyone is equally?
No.
Okay, let me say. It is not talent, not money, but time. Every person get 24 hours in a day. A poor man, a rich man, a topper and a backbencher all have same get 24 hours. But the difference how we use it. The time is like a sand in our hand. Once the moment we open our first, it slips away. Once it's gone, we can never get it back. First, let us understand why time is precious. If we lost our phone, we can buy a new phone. If we lost money, we can earn it again. But if we lost time, no scientist, no billionaires can bring it back. That is why our elder says, time and tide wait for none. What happens when we waste time? A student says, I will study tomorrow and tomorrow never comes. Then exam day comes, he regrets. We spend 4 hours on reels and shorts, but we say we have no time for exercise or talking to our parents. For example, at a water park, if we reach late. Best lights close. The fun is lost forever. This is how a small delay make a loss big moment. Then how can we save time? It is very simple. Make a timetable. Keep away phone while studying. Do important thing first. Say no to things that is not useful. Remember 3 Ds. Do it, dump it, delegate it. In the end, I want to say that time is life. Wasting time is wasting life. Every morning we get a new chance. 86,400 seconds in our account. Use them wisely because once the sun sets, that day is gone forever. So today we will promise we respect time, save time. Once it's lost, it is never found. So don't wait. The time will never just be right. Thank you and have a great day.
What an amazing performance, Sazia.
Wow, bravo, big clap for Sazia.
Hope we entertain you as anchors.
We welcome Vidya and Anshu on the stage. Now the stage is yours. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Absa and Muskan, for inviting us on the stage.
Guys, we have reached the most special part of our seminar.
That's right, Ansu. Ladies and gentlemen, to bless us with few words, we would like to invite our respected teacher, Miss Andra Mukherjee, to the stage.
Ma'am, we request you to come on this stage and bless us with your golden words.
Well, first of all, I have to say what a performance and what an energy and what a room to be in. A big clap for our participants. And thank you, Vidya and Anshu, for such a warm welcome. And also big round of applause for our participants. Thank you once again for bringing that fire. And to our anchors, you were brilliant. You kept us moving, kept us laughing, kept us focusing on what we are here for. So big clap for our anchors. So as we know, we come to the close of our seminar on Safe Future. I stand here not just as a teacher, but as a fellow guardian of tomorrow. Today we shared ideas, fears, hope. We shared and we talked about climate, resources, oceans, rivers, and whatnot. Of course, we did talk about technology. And also about the small changes that can ripple into a big change. But you know what? What struck me the most was not the scale of challenges, but the scale of commitment in this tool. A special thanks to our director of Professional Career Institute, Mr. Prakash Kumar, and our admin, Ms. Monica ma'am, for providing and building this platform where concern turns into conversations. To our speakers, thank you for replacing despair with direction. To every participant who asked a question or took notes, thank you for proving that future still has defenders. As a teacher, you know what is my greatest pride? My greatest pride is seeing my students who refuse to inherit a broken world quietly. Remember, you are not the leaders of tomorrow, you are the caretaker of today. And today you have shown up. So let's leave here with more than certificates. Let's leave with responsibility. The seminar ends, but the work begins now.
In the end, I would like to state there is no future in a world without trees, water, and clean water. Save them and you save us, because the earth is what we all have in common. So thank you once again. Thank you everyone, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those inspiring words. Thank you once again.
A heartfelt thanks to teachers, organizers, and friends who worked behind the scene. And a special thanks to our lovely participant. A big thanks to our participants.
With that, we officially bring this seminar to a close.
Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye. Cut.
Bye.